I'm the Incredible Hulk. I'm the Incredible Hulk.
Oh, and I'm the Incredible Thor. Yeah, because I get from my Beavis and Butthead shirt. Oh my god, the camera's going down. Someone's carrying this camera and this. They're fighting right here. Stop serving!
Careful again.
I hit the camera. Hulk is gonna kill me. But I'll do something. Hulk! Smash! 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 Yeah, you got it too.
She told me stuff in a funny way. Like last time she was like, running. She's like, mom, that could run in the thing. You remember? Wait.
That was yesterday.
Yeah. And now she just said pizza. First I wasn't gonna know what she's talking about. Today I made a movie with the twins.
Yeah.
That's why you call.
I can't see it. I can't see you messing on my camera. Oh, near.
All you gotta do is say it. I'm just a boy playing with toys in my hand.
That's it. Bye bye.
Bye bye.